This is part 2 of my Christmas gifts, and this is what's happened. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. First and most, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. If you haven't seen my part 1 of Christmas gifts, I'm gonna link it somewhere over there. Please watch it. There is lots and lots of gifts in that unboxing. Today is just one, but this is a bag from Hermes, and this is totally unexpected. So first and most, it's not a quarter bag. If you're looking for quarter bag unboxing, I have to disappoint you. It's not a quarter bag. Nevertheless, I am so excited about this handbag because first and most, it's a new style. It's a new style, and I'm gonna go into details of actually what fits inside, the prices, the difference between prices in the different leather. Oh my gosh, I was actually shocked. So anyway, let's talk about Hermes today. So excited. But before I proceed, I would like to share with you my momme silk blouse, and here it is, guys. And also on my part 1 of Christmas gifts, I share my pajamas in gorgeous cranberry red. Most likely I even gonna insert the modeling shots right here. That pajama, oh my gosh, so comfortable, so silky. I mean, it's it's a silk, it's 100% mulberry silk, absolutely gorgeous quality. And I share also pillowcases from momme silk. Gorgeous company, and they send me also this gorgeous white blouse. Attention to the details. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. Look at the attention to the details. Each button is actually silk wrapped. The same things on the front of the blouse. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. I have also discount coupon for you guys. I'm gonna leave it somewhere over here. All the links will be in the description box below. The shipping was absolutely fast. They have up to 100 days return policy. The prices are so competitive because it's directly from factory. They don't have a middleman. And the more kind of almost like a tipping point for me, guys, that this company actually gives back. And I have an info over here. So this company is actually doing donations, and they're working with Southern California Goodwill Group to donate clothing for people in needs. Oh my gosh, how nice, how nice. I always say, like, you know, when people making money, like, I mean, we have to make money, we have to make a living, but when somebody makes money and actually giving for donation, it's like, you know, like a cherry on top. So highly recommend, guys. Please check the links below. Highly advise you to purchase yourself a gift for Christmas or New Year. Use my code. Once again, support my channel. And if somebody gonna say, oh, because they send it to her, she's talking about this blouse, absolutely not. If you check any of my other videos, guys, that's my style. That's how I dress up. I like to dress up, and this shirt is totally my style. Love it. Once again, thank you very much, momme silk, to sending to me this gorgeous blouse, pajamas, and pillowcases. Thank you so very much. I'm extremely excited. And today, when I'm gonna show you this handbag and style, and you will see how it's gonna look very nice together with my outfit. Lately also, I noticed when I'm going to local boutique, they just kind of give me invoices in these little envelopes. I don't know what's changed, but they just, at least in Toronto. Once again, comment below what's happening in your cities. Are you receiving in proper, like, you know, invoice holder kind of envelopes? Because that's what I received from my local boutique. Anyway, I have to stop rambling. Let's unbox this beauty. So excited, so excited, because the first time I noticed this handbag, I knew right away that I want to get it. I was following purse forum to see if anybody in Europe already received this handbag. Ta-da! So let me see. The usual things. It comes with the hair booklet, pillow, and then later on I will actually no, there is information over here about the handbag. I don't want to share that, sorry guys. So, and the color is so beautiful. Ta-da-da-da! This is new Hermes style. The name of this handbag is Della Cavalleria, and I have it in mini size, gold color with palladium plated hardware, and it's an Epsom leather. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So let me just kind of remove everything away, and just give me 1 second. So I'm just gonna leave the box over there. So it comes with a 3 dust bag, obviously the larger bag that holds the bag itself. Then there is these 2 tiny dust bags that hold the ends of the strap. Let me just remove this. The strap is adjustable. There is also this little thingy at the end of the, let me just put it right there. So, and you can make it short as the shoulders, and you can make it middle length, and you can make it a crossbody. So there is a 3 adjustable holes, and I'm gonna put it somewhere in the middle to show to you, but I actually like it in the shortest one. And let's say if you're gonna wear it with the puffer jacket in the winter, it kind of sits like really high. So, but anyway, let me bring it closer to the camera. So that's how it looks like. That's how it opens. You kind of flip up front, you see, you just kind of flip up front. And let me remove the felt. So this little thingy goes inside little path over there. So inside it's just one large compartment. There is a little slip compartment for the credit cards or something, and there is a little slip compartment at the back for maybe parking tickets, etc. And there is a slip compartment right at the back of the outside of the bag at the back, once again for the parking tickets, etc, etc. So dimensions of this handbag is 18 centimeters by 16 centimeters by 8 centimeters. So it's a very decent size. So you know, when there is any creation from Hermes, there is always kind of history. So this handbag is dedicated to horse riding manual, and at the front you can see half beat of the horse, and the back right there, it represents a saddle. So it's really gorgeous. So Della Cavalleria is 17th century horse riding manual preserved at Emily Hermes Museum. So, and that's what this handbag is actually dedicated. So this part half horse bead, in French it's verdun. Let me just double check. Yes, it's verdun. I hope I pronounce it correctly, or verdun. That's the actual representation, and this one is like a horse saddle. Absolutely gorgeous. Here is a little bit closer details for you, and I'm gonna show you what fits inside. And actually, when I was at the boutique, I brought my Chanel 19 caramel to see if the color is pretty much is the same, but you can see it's totally different color, because Chanel 19 caramel has a little bit of pink, and this one is definitely light gold. It's definitely light gold, light brown color, and obviously because it has the palladium plated hardware, it looks totally different. And I want to show you also how gold color looks different on different leather. So this is the Togo, this is the, let me just make, so this is the Togo, and you can see it looks a little bit different. This is the Epsom, and this is Madame, and you can see on each leather it looks slightly different. So let's talk a little bit about the price, because this is actually second handbag that I was offered in this style. Because the moment I saw this handbag on the runway, and then as I said on purse forums chatting, I knew exactly that I want to have. And the first handbag I was offered in the blue sapphire, and it was the Della leather. And the price of that handbag when I was offered, it was 8,750. And I mean, it was expected price for Hermes, and I was like, okay, so that's the price. I still like the bag, but I didn't want to have it in blue because I have already several blue handbags from Chanel or Valextra, and that was kind of bright blue, very close to Valextra handbags that I have. And I decided to wait, and frankly, because I knew that this is going to be more casual handbag, I want to actually to have a more practical leather like Epsom. And I said I'm gonna wait for Epsom, and ideally I want to have either in black or gold or a taupe or a tan, or maybe in gray color, something very, very neutral. So when obviously this one been offered to me, I was like, oh, really nice. And I was expecting that it might be a little bit less expensive because obviously it's Epsom leather. But when I asked my SA and she gave me a price for this one, I was like, what? Can I have two? Do you have two? So the price of this handbag in Canadian dollars before taxes, 5,900. So 5,900 for Epsom and 8,750 for Della for exactly the same handbag and same size. Yeah, exactly. I was literally shocked. I was literally shocked. So anyway, let's try some of the items inside to just give you an idea what fits inside. Let me bring some of my items and I will show you what fits inside. So I have lots of different items over here, but no matter what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first try to put my cell phone, and I have iPhone 12 standard size, not iPhone 12 Pro, and standard size iPhone 12 with the case goes inside easily. So then let's say if I'm gonna have a Chanel wallet, once again, it goes easily. Let's say I have Longchamp pouch with catch-all. Once again, it goes absolutely easily. There is plenty of space to put, I don't know, chewing gum or something. And let's say I'm gonna put the glasses on top. Let me close it. It closes easily. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So let me try to put different items. So anyway, I'm gonna keep my cell phone as usual. Let's say I wanna have the full size of the key holder, or what do you call? Yeah, key holder. Let's say I want to have pretty much almost like a full size of the wallet, and this is from Louis Vuitton, and still I can put my glasses on top, and let me close it. Closes very, very easily. So let me try different items. So the phone is still there. Let's say I want to have Chanel pouch as a catch-all, etc. So once again, Chanel O pouch goes easily in. Let's say instead of full size wallet, I'm gonna have just a card holder, and mine is Chanel card holder. Once again, it goes in easily. Let's say I put my glasses on top, and it's still plenty of space. Like, I mean, we can try something different, but right away you can see that this handbag actually fits a lot. So let's say I will put Louis Vuitton mini pochette. It goes perfectly in. And in this case, once again, I could have just a card holder and my glasses, and it's still closing. Let's say if I'm gonna keep instead of larger pouches, let's say I'm gonna have just a card holder. Let's say I'm gonna have a key clay pouch from Louis Vuitton. See? Let's say I wanna have also coin purse from Louis Vuitton. There you go. I can easily once again put some kind of chewing gum, lipstick, etc. And let me close it. There you go, guys. It fits way more than standard mini, like, you know, Chanel mini. It fits way more, and there is lots of varieties, like, you know, the way you can pack this gorgeous handbag. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think on Instagram also I'm gonna do kind of peeling off sticker from this handbag, because I want to have a special moment peeling off this sticker. Alrighty guys, so this is my new handbag. Please put your comments below if you like it, dislike it, your thoughts about this new Hermes handbag, because I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. There you go. That's what we have for today. Merry Christmas once again, Happy New Year, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.